Hello everyone, I'm Jenna and this is Learn Academic English. On this channel, I teach intermediate and advanced level English lessons for people who want to take their English up a level, especially for school and work. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the idiom hit the nail on the head. Maybe you've heard this idiom before. It is very common and it has a very special meaning. Before we get into that, I'd like to remind you that I offer memberships here on my YouTube channel, so if you'd like more connection with me every week, be sure to hit the join button. And I also teach online classes live every week. If you would like to join my classes to improve your English speaking, grammar, and writing, be sure to check the link below or leave a comment and let me know if you're interested. So let's get into this lesson about the idiom hit the nail on the head. So you probably know what a nail is. A nail is a little thing that we use to put something into the wall, and the nail has a point and it has a head. Now, when you hammer the nail into the wall, you want to hammer the nail on the head. Now, what happens if you hit the nail on the wrong spot? So maybe you don't hit the nail and you hit your finger, then you're going to have a problem. So this idiom comes from the idea that when you hit the nail on the head, you are hitting it in exactly the right spot. It is accurate or exact. Now you know that an idiom is a group of words that have a special meaning. Usually these are set phrases, so that means that you can't change the words, sometimes not at all. So in this one, we're not going to say hit the nails on the head or hit a nail on the head. We're going to say hit the nail on the head. This idiom is used in both informal and formal situations. It's very common in school and work situations. Now, you probably won't use it in your essay writing, or you probably won't see it in a newspaper article, but it is very often used in formal and informal situations, including at school and work. So first, what does hit the nail on the head mean? Well, you can see here about the definition that it means to be very accurate or exact, or to describe exactly what's causing a situation or a problem. But this is used in response to what someone else has said. So we don't say, for example, I'm going to hit the nail on the head, I'm going to explain the problem. We don't say that. Instead, we use it in conversation to respond to what someone else has said. For example, if I'm talking to my colleagues at work about my writing class that used to be held on campus, but now it's being taught online, I might complain about it, and I might say something like, you know, students just don't learn as well online because they don't have any real exams and they don't have as much class discussion. They just don't learn as much as they used to when they were on campus. They think they're being successful, but in fact, they just don't really know what it means to be a college student. My colleague might respond by saying something like this: "That is so true. You hit the nail on the head." So in that case, my colleague is letting me know that she not only agrees with me, but she thinks that I described the situation or the problem exactly. Maybe my idea is insightful. Maybe it's something that she hadn't thought about before, but when she heard it, she said, wow, that's exactly true. Now, there are a couple of other important things that you should know about how to use this idiom. First of all, because we use it in response to what someone else has just said, we're usually going to use simple past or present perfect. Okay, we don't use present continuous. We don't say, you are hitting the nail on the head, or you are going to hit the nail on the head in the future. Instead, we're responding to what someone else has just said, so we can say, you hit the nail on the head. That's simple past. Or, you've hit the nail on the head. Present perfect to refer to something that has just happened.
That's right. You've hit the nail on the head, Nick.
Yeah, you hit the nail on the head.
You can also mix it up a little bit by adding more meaning with an adverb. So these are collocations or words that are often used together. We often say, you hit the nail right on the head. Okay, so that means exactly, exactly. That would be to emphasize the meaning. You hit the nail right on the head.
You're absolutely right, sir. You've hit the nail right in the head.
Or you can use an adverb like definitely, really, or just. You just hit the nail on the head. Or you've definitely hit the nail on the head. Or wow, you really hit the nail on the head.
You really hit the nail on the head with that one, Tribeca.
So let me know in the comments below if you have heard this idiom before, and have you ever tried to use it? I think if you keep your ears open, you're going to notice that when people are having a conversation, they might use this idiom to emphasize or to say that they really agree with what the person has just said, and that the person said it in a very accurate or insightful way. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave a comment if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you would like more lessons like this one. I hope to see you back here again soon. Take care.